Hi guys. Hey, we got a lot of snow and I have a Clod Buster. Wonder what's gonna happen. Maybe a little fun in the snow, huh? Come on. I have never had this in anything like this, and should be pretty fun. Doesn't pull very tight donuts though. There it goes. Oh man, definitely lost the battery fell out. That ain't good. Hang on a second. We got technical difficulty. I didn't have the battery thing snapped in place, I guess. Ruh-roh, hang on. Well, crap. There it goes. Alright, now we got it. Now my hands are frozen. Got the guys out here doing the stuff for the apartments. Man. Clod Buster definitely handles the snow. Come on, back up. Thing handles the snow without any problem at all. Whoa, until you hit that. Man, whoops, I'm climbing over myself here. You know what? This is the way. Come on, back up, baby. There we go. This is the way to plow or shovel. Just stay inside where it's warm and, you know, not have a problem. Hell yeah. That's cool as hell, man. I really was not sure how this thing would do. Whoa. I honestly was not sure. I really figured it would do some getting stuck, but man, I am really impressed. Very impressed. Holy crap. Clod Buster is a beast on snow, guys. Wow. That is just too cool. I had no idea this thing would do this good. Because, I mean, this snow ain't exactly, you know, shallow. Look at this thing. And I'm driving a one-handed. I mean, it just goes right on through it. Holy crap. Huge thanks to my friend that sent me this thing. Holy crap. Unreal. Wow, I have a new wintertime fun truck now. Man. Alright. Heck yeah. Well guys, I am going to let you go, and I'm going to charge up some batteries and go do this again later with some gloves on and warmer get warmed up a little bit. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thanks. Glad you found it. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Stay warm, guys. Stay safe. Bye.